Hey guys, it's Tim with LeatherSeats.com. In today's video, we're going to go over some of the options we have for replacing the upholstery in your 94 to 96 Impala SS. Alright guys, so we have the seats pulled out of our customer's 96 Impala SS, and the new LeatherSeats.com upholstery is already installed on the passenger seat. Before we install the driver's side upholstery, I wanted to show you a side-by-side comparison of the old worn-out factory leather to the new replacement leather-trimmed upholstery. This Impala SS package includes the replacement upholstery for both the front and rear seats. We built this specific kit for our customer in single-tone bright red with a matching bright red thread for all of the double-stitched and top-stitched seams. Our customer chose to not perforate the middle sections like the factory covers, but he did add the optional SS logos on the front headrests and Impala logo in the center rear backrest, which can be special ordered over the phone. Like most of our kits, our Impala SS upholstery is actually designed for the original leather to be removed before installation, so once installed properly, we'll maintain a factory fit and finish. We also include map pockets on the backs of both front bucket seats. For those of you do-it-yourselfers, you will need basic hand tools, as well as hog rings and hog ring pliers. We also suggest using an upholstery or clothing steamer to achieve optimal fitment. We built this kit in our premium leather content, which is done in a combination of leather and matching vinyl, similar to what's offered in the GM factory leather interior. The front seats have leather on the seating surfaces with matching vinyl on the sides and backs. The rear seats are also done with leather on the seating surfaces with matching vinyl sides. You can also upgrade to a 100% leather kit, which is our highest leather content available. If you guys have any questions on the packages we can offer for your Impala SS, or if you'd like to receive some free leather samples, feel free to call any of our aftermarket leather experts at 866-NEW-SEAT. LeatherSeats.com. Custom look, factory fit.